Do you know if your wood furniture needs oiling? Find out with this quick 10-second test. Oiling your wood protects it from drying out, cracking, and water damage, extending its life and beauty. Let's walk through the simple steps to perform the 10-second wood oiling test. First, find an inconspicuous area on your wooden surface, like the underside or a hidden corner. Next, apply a small drop of water onto that spot. Now, let's interpret what the water drop tells you about your wood's condition. If the water soaks into the wood quickly and leaves a dark spot, your wood is thirsty and definitely needs oiling. If the water beads up on the surface, your wood is well oiled and protected. Good job. If your wood needs oiling, choose a high-quality wood oil or conditioner and apply it according to the product's instructions. You can use a cloth or a brush, and remember to wipe off any excess. Regularly performing this test and oiling your wood as needed will keep it looking beautiful and protected for years to come. Thanks for watching.